Students, now I am going to explain example 3 in second chapter. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. Okay. Then two numbers are given, minus 2 and 2. Okay. Two numbers are given that are the zeros. Okay. Minus 2 and 2 are the zeros and the two zeros are the polynomial x plus 2. We have to check the two numbers are the zeros or not. We have to check. Okay. Then let us see the solution. First we have to write the polynomial. Polynomial means we have to take p of x equal to x plus 2. This is a polynomial. So we can take p of x equal to x plus 2. Okay. The next condition, first 0 is what? Minus 2. Okay. First 0 is minus 2. So let us take x equal to, first we have to take minus 2, first 0. Okay, first we have to apply x equal to minus 2 in this polynomial. Okay, then in left hand side we will get p of minus 2 equal to right side. We will get x value minus 2 and plus 2. Okay, then minus 2 plus 2 means we will get 0. Therefore, p of minus 2 equal to 0 we will get. The next 0 is 2. So let us take f x equal to 2. Okay, this is second 0. Then apply this x equal to 2 in this polynomial. Then first we have to write left hand side p of 2 equal to, apply x value is 2. Then 2 plus 2. Okay. Then 2 plus 2 means we will get the answer 4. Therefore, p of 2 equal to 4. Our question is what? We have to check the two numbers are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. When we substitute x equal to minus 2 means we will get 0. Okay. This is a solution. For what? We told this is a solution. We get 0. Okay. We get the solution is 0. So, the minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next, when we check x equal to 2, we get 4. Okay, we did not get 0. So, this is not a 0 of a solution. Last, we can write, therefore, minus 2 is a 0 of a polynomial x plus 2. But 2 is not a 0. Okay. Therefore, minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. See, when we substitute minus 2 in this polynomial, we will get 0. So, minus 2 is a 0 of polynomial. When we substitute 2 in polynomial, we did not get 0. So, this is not a 0 of the polynomial. Okay.